Manja Central Range kaparlo long crazy Sangti Mahal long Council aphan royalty ki aphai pen mote royalty ki tu tesi ongmuna konat nat amahol pen komat matsi royalty ki tu te dolangma kat news pen nang peklang ponpo ing namre ko masai campaign ko anma medu kilong nang jateng pen kopia posi medu kilong ki jumaret ang the kat news pen nang peklang ponpo Kidam tang chiti ni phai kre phorni Manja Range along arranger ACF Bikram Rongpi lapen langmili beat in charge Renuka terang piatum Sangti ke pong atuma long pen tangka ke endunpu abirta ke klangahut ACF Ranger Bikram Rongpi ke bangalong pen Sangti ke hangdun loksi ahem ka chikim lapen forest atangka an ke latumsi hemkong long chinam idet long lapen latumsi chothai lopu kaningji arjoik tha
Bikram Rongpi.
Di posi ahem thok dam nang kok lo.
Lake kai ta bang long sang ki ke hang khap pen lok sila hem chikim ke lage. Tang ti hang pen lok sila hem chiki. Aku lahai forest dumbang isi lam fu dam lo bote hadi. Garian ta dami anda la tum si wek law lo. Ni tum pu dam de hai ala CM sar bond ho pulo ni tum la kroi lo to. Pulo ni tum da ti kroi du ne to. People se consider winu le det ma puda tang tela bangke alang tung gari motor china me de polo oh alang tung dili hor ok na ta rinuka office lam ta hora boye bu hora bong boye bu na sila son rewinu le la ala non bang ni tum has nang panu lalu he
bukan bubam na tonen chok sitin pe lukka ko garia seklema bang ko men chini
la an bang chini agari biko lo nes arni bang ko put hos arni la so gari lo ang thika gari bang da ajo wang lo ajo ma compromise ma luk lot ili tumanda nang dun
tangka ke en ke chini
wala i gang thik hang paisa bang en
ang thik pi kor lo
ang thik tisu
piner relation pin lo
latum bang ke relation mane lason ala punu em ta wa true band hani tum bang em gali det mate mane ni tum pham bang nang lang ko da jan ma na ala umor tisu
Manja Central Range along arranger ACF Bikram Rongpi kikia hot long crazy amohol along pen komat atumsi medu kitu lapen kitute dolang aphai nang peklang ponpo Jamuna River Stand Mahal Langkang Bob Kaparlo Sangpi Rekha Ingtipi BID value 79 lakh total number of keys 28 notes total number of keys paid 9 notes balance keys to be paid 53 lakh 60,717 revenue received till date 25 lakh 39,287 Jamuna River Stand Mahal number 9 Longbiram Senar BID value 1 crore 20 lakh 30,101 total number of keys 20 notes total number of keys paid 4 notes balance keys to be paid 96 lakh 24,096 revenue received till date 24 lakhs 6,024 Jamuna River Stand Mahal Disobai Mindar Hanse BID value 25 lakh total number of keys 20 notes total number of keys paid 6 notes balance keys to be paid 17 lakh 50,000 revenue received till date 7 lakh 50,000 Bon sitame alang lihin pen Sangti ave pupena jok surrender deadlong Jamuna River Stand Mahal Langmili near cemetery area CM Teron BID value 8 lakhs 40,000 total number of keys 6 notes total number of keys paid 2 notes balance keys to be paid 5 lakhs 60,000 revenue received till date 2 lakhs 80,000 Longneat River Stand Mahal number 1A Nizora Teronpi BID value 9 lakhs 90,000 total number of keys 3 notes total number of keys paid 2 notes balance keys to be paid 3 lakhs 30,000 revenue received till date 6 lakhs 60,000 Jamuna River Stand Mahal Koilari Anthony Taro BID value 9 lakhs 55,000 total number of keys 3 notes total number of keys received 2 notes balance keys to be paid 3 lakhs 18,333 revenue received till date 6 lakhs 36,666 Chomna River Stand Mahal T Chomarong C Rupali Terangpi BID value 9 lakhs 50,000 total number of keys 3 nose. Total number of keys paid 1 nose. Balance keys to be paid 6,33,333. Revenue received till date 3,16,667. Jamuna River Sen Mahal number 1 Langmili Angthik Tiso BID value 21 lakh. Total number of keys 20 nose. Total number of keys paid 4 nose. Balance keys to be paid 16,80,000. Revenue received till date 4,20,000. Jamuna River Sen Mahal number 3 Langmili Mangal Singh England BID value 29,85,000. Total number of keys 10 nose. Total number of keys paid 1 nose. Balance keys to be paid 26,86,500. Revenue received till date 2,98,500. Jamuna River Sen Mahal Khatmati A Harsing Hanse BID value 9 lakhs. Total number of keys 6 nose. Total number of keys paid 1 nose. Balance keys to be paid 7,50,000. Revenue received till date 1,50,000. Jamuna River Sen Mahal number 10 Pramod Kramsa BID value 14,70,000. Total number of keys 12 nose. Total number of keys paid 1 nose. Balance keys to be paid 12 lakh. Revenue received till date 1,22,500. Lasi ningkan isike keplengpo. Setame Central Manja Kapalo Sen Mahalatum non puantame revenue kachipik chepachok chelang pusi Divisional Forest Karbi Anglong is Divisional Hinpen Paklangpo. ACF Ranger Bikram Rongpi Kekia Hut Amitang Jungjungal Aphan Kapatia Joksi Mahalatum Lapuan Amidu Kitu Tedet Mapusi Radatum Chetang.